So this is a quick video of page 56, question 8, this kite here. So it asks us to construct the kite and divide the side of the kite into 4 equal parts. And it also says sketch a tail for the end of it then, right? So just drawing this part here really is the main bit we're going to focus on. Now, if you remember this division of line, right? So a tip, use the division of line method on page 34. So if we go back to 34, they go through this division of line method, which we've done before. Okay? There's also videos of questions. I've that video done on my channel, on the channel as well. So you can go back and look at them if you're under pressure with this division of lines. But I'll do it in this question here now anyway. So very first thing is I'm going to draw this center line for the kite. It's at 60 degrees. Look, 60 degrees. So I'm going to use my 60-degree set square. Use my 60-degree set square, and I'm going to draw it in. It's 150 millimeters long. It says that in the book. So from there, there's how much extend it a little bit. So it's 150, which is there. Now, each side is 30 degrees from the center line. So 30 degrees this direction, 30 degrees in this direction. So you get your protractor, 0, 0 along the line, and the 90-degree mark right at the corner of the angle. You mark your 30 degrees here. Spin it around and do the exact same thing on the other side. So 10, 20, 30, do a little mark. So I'm going to draw them out now with my set square nice and light, up this direction, and this one goes up this direction. Now my corner point up here, my corner point, it's 55 degrees this time from the center line. Okay, 55. So the exact same thing as before. Putting my protractor down on my line, my 90-degree mark right in the corner of the angle, and we're going 55. So 55 is there. Spin it around. So 50, there. So I'm going to darken this in now. So now is the outline of the kite drawn. So it's a quick question to draw the outline. Okay. The next thing now we're going to have to do is we're going to have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So they want this line to be divided into 4 equal parts. Okay? So what I'm going to do is the division of a line method. So from any of the corners of the kite, you draw a line, any distance and any angle. So any distance and any angle. That's the distance I just drew, that's the angle I drew. So it doesn't matter how long it is, or it doesn't matter what angle it's at. You then get your compass and set a random distance on it. The distance of the compass does not matter either. I put the point of the compass right inside here at the start of the line, and I'm going to mark 4 marks along the line. I'm doing 4 because I want to divide this line into 4 pieces. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now I get my set square and I line up the very last point, or the furthest away point here from the corner. I line that up with the very back corner of the line I'm dividing. Yeah. So this point gets lined up at that point. My second set square now comes up to the bottom of the first set square and gets super glued to the desk. What we want to form now is a series of parallel lines. So if I draw that in there, now if you see I didn't have room for the first one, so we just bring it down. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I now have this line divided into 4 equal parts, which is perfect. Now all I'm going to have to do is go parallel to this first one that I drew, to get these, and parallel over on this side then to get the other ones. So I'm going to go parallel to this side here, so first, so this top of the kite. So where my line gets divided, so that's one, that's one, that's one over here. And to get the other side then, I'm just going parallel on this line from them points there. Okay, so don't forget we need to have that little construction in the drawing as well, or you won't get the marks in exams and stuff because they'll think you guessed it. So that's the kite drawn out, and it's using the division of a line method to get them equal spacings as well.